The super knit sarees from Banaras are back with Vastram. Vanakkam, Sunita here with beautiful 10 super knit sarees, woven designs all throughout, priced at 2,800. The links will be provided for you to click on and buy. These videos will be uploaded on YouTube. My humble request to subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share and press the bell icon to get us a more better view and also to give you better service in future. You will be getting all the sarees immediately it's being posted on YouTube. So let's go into the saree now. The saree number 1 is a blue color super knit saree woven with parrots. This we had it 4 months before, and after quarantine we're coming up with the same. Wow, look at those birds over there, beautifully woven. A pink contrast blouse will look amazing. That's the pallu for the saree. And the blouse, the body opens up to this. Yeah, that is the entire saree. Pretty collection. Vasudha, eng move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ನಂದು camera. Okay, ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಂಗು. Okay, ಹಿಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so this is the entire saree with a nice border over here on the silver zari. This is a super net, that's a small border. It's a purplish blue kind. It looks purple but it's blue only. Nice dark blue, light blue combination. Dark blue blouse. The whole saree has the weavings of the birds. It's a super net material. As you say, this quotas, no, like that. It's a net material. That's the blouse part of it. The whole pallu has got some nice weavings in the zari. This part is transparent. The other part has got thread woven weavings over there. So that is semi-transparent. That's not transparent at all. So that's the back portion of the saree number 1. Look at those birds, yeah. They're very beautifully woven. 2,800. Clicking link number 1, you can buy this. Okay. Now let's go in for link number 2. Saree number 2. Clicking link number 2, you buy this pink net saree. Very pretty color combination. A golden border at the highlight. The bird is here in silver. The whole pallu has got silver weavings. The last saree had got a golden pallu. Here it's got a silver pallu. Look at that. Wow. Open madly. This is saree number 2. A nice Rani pink combination. Classy birds woven all throughout. A Rani pink running blouse. Light pink, generally a contrast, but you can go for a nice green color or a blue color blouse, which makes it even more rich and classy. This is 2,800. You will be given, provided the links, you can buy them through the link. Okay, so that is saree number 2. Clicking link number 2, you buy saree number 2. Next comes saree number 3, a navy blue color combination. The birds are very visibly woven because the contrast colors and golden birds look so very well done. Golden color pallu over there with nice zari weavings. Running blouse it will have, and that's the blouse of the saree. The whole saree looks like this. The weavings are all throughout done. It's kind of a blackish blue, that dark it is. Saree number 3, amazing. Link number 3 will help you buy saree number 3, a super net saree from the northern part of India. Now comes saree number 4, which is an orange and a purple combination. Very, very beautiful. So that's the pallu, purple color pallu. And we were posting some kalamkaris, hope you liked them. This is also a very pretty color because the highlight of the contrast over there is very amazing, very cute. Purple and an orange is a nice combination, not so common combination. That's the saree. The whole saree turns out to be this, and that's the bird woven all throughout. Saree number 4, 2,800. Okay, so that's saree number 4 for you. Next comes saree number 5. Amele paper valage haakbidanamma. This is nice ink blue combination. We saw a light blue, we saw a navy blue. We're now coming for an ink blue combination. Blues are evergreen, ever attractive. Very pretty collection this is. This is saree number 5, 2,800 with a weaving super net saree, blue color blouse. Always a contrast blouse is advisable for this saree. It is about your own wish. You can go in for a sleeveless also. Choices are yours, my very simple budget friendly collections. So that's the saree number 5 for us. Now comes 5 or 6 or 5. So now comes black and pink combination, sari number 6, brightest combination ever now. Black is always a highlighted product. So that is sari number 6, black color blouse, pink color border. Wow, amazing. Look at that. Birds look as if they're flying on the saris. So beautifully woven on. Sitting on a branch, the parrots are amazingly seen. All the saris same design, but some sari color combinations are so contrast. They look amazing. Some like bright ones, some like subtle ones. So both type of tasted people can go in for according to their choices. Now comes sari number 7. 7, a Rani pink again, with a little difference. I think I've got 2 Rani pinks. No, color of the body has changed. I mean, birds has changed. This is sari number 7. Clicking link number 7, you buy them. Wow, I like this seriously. Look at her. Very pretty. Subtle work again. Birds are the same, weavings are the same. It's only the workmanship that differs. 2,800, running blouse of Rani pink, and the pallus are zari woven in silver. Very pretty. Some colors cannot be captured perfectly. This is one among that. Very pretty collection, but don't miss. Every single sari out of the 10 is a masterpiece. Now comes another ink blue, a dark ink blue. Blue, as I told you, has various shades, and every shade it looks beautiful. So that is sari number 8. Pallu and blouse and body. So somebody who has missed sari number 6 can go in for this pretty collection with blouse sari. The body turns out to be this, and a classy collection. Beautiful this is. So sari number 8. Okay, clicking link number 8, you buy them. Now comes evergreen mango color, mango yellow with the parakeet done. This is also pretty. Pallu is zari woven. Yeah, that's an amazing yellow. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Honestly, when it comes in real, it's not this. I'll just show you. This, not this. It's somewhere closer to this light yellow, mango yellow, on a brighter note. You're not there, Vasudha. Don't worry. So that is sari number 9 for you. I like the zigzag weavings in the top also. They're classy collections. Look at the body of this. Nobody can say no. A red color blouse, amazing. A pink on this parakeet will also look amazing. Okay, now comes the last sari of this set of Supernet saris. It is navy blue, deepest navy blue possible. Very similar to sari number 2, I guess, if not, but this dark is even more darker than all the colors. As I told you, blue has a special role in these net saris, because how much ever you own them, they look pretty, because the parakeets have come out so beautiful. Look at the color of the feathers of it. It's got a running blouse as usual. It sits on a branch with a green leg and a pink leaf. All that is beautiful, is attractive, and this is worth being attracted because the quality, cost, work, every single thing is very nice about it. So with this, we'll be completing the 10 set of Supernet saris. We will be posting links for you. You can buy them by clicking the respective links, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll be coming up with more cotton salwar dress materials. I guess if possible we'll do a video today. If not, it will be done tomorrow. And we will be doing cotton ajrak saris also. We'll be coming up with more interesting collection. Happy shopping. Take care. Bye. No hakbekamma. Ishtide. Wow, look at that rainbow. This rainbow has got 10 colors. Yeah, all are pretty. Yeah. Okay. Happy shopping. Take care. Bye.